guys! It's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. So, before we start with our haul video dito, it's a mini haul video guys. I-share ko lang yung bagong iniinom ko. This is Teami Butterfly Tea. So, pinadala ito ng Teami sa akin. Thank you so much, Teami. I'm a Teami partner now. So, eto, super sikat siya guys. It's a beauty tea. Tapos, yung tea dito sa amin is locally known as blue ternate. That's why the color, kung mapapansin nyo, blue siya. So, this is a caffeine-free tea, guys, that provides endless health beauty benefits from head to toe. So, I've been drinking this tea every other day. I think this is my third day to drink this tea. Kasi for a naughty lover like me, okay lang siya sa akin, guys. Lukewarm water pala. Yung hot water na inad ko is hanggang dito lang. Para hindi siya super hot, hindi ko na siya kailangang palamigin para madala ko na siya agad-agad paglabas namin. By the way, I'm out of town, hence the background. And it's Christmas today, so Merry Christmas pala. So, inumin muna natin to. This time, wala akong yellow lemon na nilagay kasi hindi ako nakabili ng yellow lemon. Pero mas gusto ko siya na walang yellow lemon, guys. Kasi kapag may yellow lemon, medyo maasim siya. Mas tolerable yung taste niya kapag wala siyang any yellow lemon or any honey. Although yung honey hindi ko pa na-try. Pero eto, yung purely, yung tea lang talaga. As in, I super duper love it. O nga pala, eto yung tea niya, guys. So, ito ko nilagay. Eto siya, guys. And sobrang dami, guys. Kasi 1 teaspoon lang ilalagay mo for this entire tumbler. Tapos yung tumbler nila, guys, if you wanna buy this one, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng hot water kasi dalawa siya. So, hindi ka talaga mapapasok. Kasi, ayan, no, may separate na lalagyan. Tapos, eto yung container talaga. Yung main container. Tapos, hindi mo matitaste yung tea kasi naman, may strainer siyang kasama. So, hindi mo talaga maiinom yung tea. Yung water lang talaga. Healthy living na tayo, guys. Kasi new year, new me. Let's enter the year healthy. Oh, diba? So, ayun. Anyway, so let's start with our haul. So, konti lang ito, guys. Nabili ko lang sila kahapon. And let's start with the shoes. I mean, this is not the shoe pala. Let's start with the flats that I had, that I bought yesterday. This is from People Are People or PRP. Paper bag na lang ito, guys, kasi yung box, yun yung ginamit ko para sa camera ko. Hindi kasi ako nakadala ng tripod. And ito yung binili ko, guys. Yung espadrilles na flats. Kita nyo ba? Parang Hermes siya, guys, diba? Since hindi ko naman afford yung Hermes, so eto na lang. It's super comfy and I like it kasi magaan siya, tapos it will give you height. So, kapag kulang kayo sa height, eto lang. Akala nila naka-flats kayo, pero ayan, diba? At least it will add like 2 inches. So, ayan, it's super duper nice. This was not on sale, pero 1,099 pesos lang ito, guys. And I got size 37. So, kasyang-kasya siya sa akin. Perfect na perfect talaga. So, that's the first thing that I bought for myself yesterday. Let's hydrate muna. Okay. Next is these 2 guest bags. Let's start with the small one. Ito, yesterday ko lang siya napili. Wala sana akong ganang mag-shopping, guys, kasi iniisip ko pa lang yung gagastusin ko for the upcoming wedding. Parang nasa-stress na ako. Pero when we went to Guess, sobrang ganda ng deals sa Guess. Sobrang sale, as in 50% off. So, napabili ako at napagastos ako. So, goodbye. Sa susunod na lang yung wedding expenses. So, I got 2 t-shirts. I got 3 t-shirts pala. So, first is etong suot ko. Ayan. Ito yung binili ko, guys. Yung suot ko ngayon kasi wala, parang bagay siya. Bagay siya sa akin. May 5 lipsticks lang siya, tapos Guess. And then, plain yung sa likod. So, that's the first one. Ito originally was 1,600, pero it was on sale. 798 pesos na lang siya. O, diba, guys? Super good deal. Tapos, ito, this is immense t-shirt. Pero, binili ko siya. Ito na lang kasi yung nag-iisang natitira doon for this style. XL siya. Tapos, gagawin ko na lang siyang parang loose sa akin, parang dress. Tapos, mag-shorts na lang ako. Diba? Hindi ko to ibibigay kay Habi. Akala niya para sa akin. Oh, may nakalagay lang dyan na Guess. So, this one, dahil nag-iisa na nga lang siya, From 1,298, 599 pesos na lang. O, diba? So, XL, gagawin ko siyang dress for me. So, that's the second t-shirt. Next is another t-shirt. Eto. Puro t-shirt yung binili ko, guys, kasi gusto kong mag-t-shirt when I'm in school. Alam nyo naman, nagma-masters na ako. So, I wanna wear t-shirt in school. So, eto, another t-shirt. Nakalagay lang dyan. It's super simple. Yung parang classic lang na Guess. Los Angeles. Ayan. O, diba? So, yung mga nabili ko pala, this one is in size medium. Eto is in size small. Tapos, eto is in size XL. Yung men's t-shirt na nabili ko. So, there you go. And then, let's go to the shorts. I also got a short. Eto, guys. This was also on sale. Kasi, diba, 50% off talaga ang sale ng Guess. Kaya, hindi talaga pwedeng hindi mag-shopping sa Guess. So, eto naman yung shorts. Super simple lang. Yan. O, diba? This was originally from 2,498, but I got it for 1,199. Oh, diba? More than 50% off. 2,512 na lang. Super nice. And I like the cloth. It's super makakapal. Yung pinili ko talaga yung makakapal na mga denims, hindi yung maninipis, kasi yung maninipis parang madali lang siya masira. So, ayan. Next, I have two pants as well. They're all from Guess. Ayan. I bought two pants from Guess. Let's start with this. Ito yung super favorite na nabili ko sa Guess yesterday. And wala siyang nakalagay na Guess logo sa likod, which is okay lang sa akin. Andito lang yung parang Guess. Pero it's super duper thick na feeling ko super worth it nito. This is high waist. Tapos, ano siya? Skinny jeans. And wala akong puwet, guys, ha. Imagine, wala akong puwet. Pero when I wore this, talagang parang ang sexy tingnan ng puwet ko. Kaya napabili talaga ako. By the way, I'm in size 27. Medyo tumaba na tayo ngayon. So, ayan. This was originally, teka ha. Originally, this is 3,998. Tapos, 50% off. So, naging 1,999 na lang. O, diba? 4,000 naging 2,000. Super good deal. And the last, like, yung binili ko yesterday is this one. This time, it has the Guess logo at the back. Tapos, meron dyan. Ito, super kapal din. And, this is a skinny jeans. Pero, kahit skinny siya, parang may ganito siya sa at the bottom. Para din siyang flare. It's not a skinny jeans pala. It's a ano bang tawag nito? Slim jeans pala. Slim jeans, tapos may parang ganito siya. Ito yung parang nakapagpakuha ng attention niya sa akin. Ito. Diba? Ang cute lang. It's super unique. O, diba? Para siyang flare, pero slim pa rin siya when I wore it. And eto, guys, nag-iisang size na lang. Yung tatlong ganito na lang yung natira, pero iisang size lang sila lahat. 26, and I'm size 27. So, when I wore this, talagang humingi pa ako ng opinion from my cousins at Tihani kung bibilin ko ba. Kasi baka hindi na ako pumayat, ganun. Sakto lang naman yung 26 sa akin, pero mas super perfect fit talaga si 27 for me. Pero since wala na ngang iba, tapos nagustuhan ko talaga siya, and super good deal din ito, guys. Super on sale. From 3,998, 1,199 na lang. Imagine, 4,000 naging 1,200. So, hindi ko na pinalagpas. Baka pumayat pa ako because of the wedding preparation. So, ayan. O, diba? It's super good deal. I'm so happy with all of my purchases. And, nga pala, may bag ako na super duper crush sa Guess. Dalawang bag yung crush ko sa Guess. Isang crush na bago sa Guess, hindi pa siya nag-sale when I went to the Guess store. So, I checked online. Yung isang crush ko naman na bag is on sale. So, from 5,000 plus, naging 2,600 plus na lang siya online. So, ayun, binili ko na lang siya. And that bag looks like this one. Yes. Yan yung bag na crush ko. Wala pa kasi ako parang forest green or army green na bag, ganon. So, I wanted to have a small sling bag na green naman. So, ayan. Perfect siya for me. So, I think that's it lang, guys, for today's video. It's a quick mini haul lang kasi I don't wanna do a long haul para may up talaga akong vlogmas. At least, guys, diba? Kahit papano. And oo nga pala guys, itutour ko kayo sa Airbnb na na-rent namin dito sa Cagayan de Oro. Super mura niya lang. We booked this for 9,000 pesos. And good for 15 people na siya. Tapos, that's 2 nights na. So, super makakasave kayo kapag mag-Airbnb kayo. Ito yung sasakyan na dala namin. So, andun yung gate. Tapos, ito yung back door. Yung front door, ewan ko, wala. So, wala kaming access doon. Dito kami. Ayan. So, straight on. Super messy. I'm sorry. Nag-breakfast na kasi kami. My cousin, si Chad. And this is her kitchen. Ayan. Si Mommy.
My auntie.
My auntie. My mom's older sister. Tapos, may room dito. Hindi ko alam kung may nagstay dito kagabi. May mga gamit. Pero, hindi siya air-conditioned dyan. May CR dito sa baba. And that's me. Tapos, dito ako nag-film guys, dyan. Kasi wala nang ibang space. Tapos, doon sa taas, super maingay sila. And si Yael, of course. Say hi, baby Yael! Hi to the vlog! Hi! Nahihiya siya. So, let's go up. Guys, yung master's bedroom. So, ayan. Medyo you have to step down. So, there's another bed. And there's another bed. May aircon. And then, eto yung CR. Si Papa andyan pa. And eto naman yung walk-in closet. O, diba? Malaki. Tapos, kapag marami kayo, there's more beds here. Andyan na yung gamit na Papa. O, diba? Malaki yung room dito, but my father is there and he's still changing. Naliligo pa ata. My space dito, super messy. I'm sorry. My balcony, which I cannot open. Kasi naka-lock. And there's another room here. This is where my aunties and my mom are staying. So, yung iba sa kanila nagtatago kasi naliligo pa. And then, eto naman yung room namin. Mga young. O, diba? So, yung CR pala namin dito is communal siya with the other CR. So, they have a separate door there. So, dun ako natulog, guys. Tapos, dito si Bibi Yael. Dito si Love at sa Tihani. Andun naman si Chad. Super messy ng room namin, but syempre, ginamit namin eh. So, that's it guys for today's quick mini haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also click that bell button beside the subscribe button so you're not gonna miss any of my videos. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys! God bless everyone! Mwah!